Is your Amazon Fire TV Cube stuck on the Fire TV logo screen or keep restarting over and over again? Don't worry, in this video I will show you the most effective ways to fix your Fire TV Cube boot loop and get it working again. So first let's do a complete power reset. Just unplug your Fire TV Cube from the power and disconnect it from your TV. If you have anything else connected to the cube, such as a USB drive, HDMI adapter or anything else, so you just have to unplug those as well. Now wait for about 1 minute and after that connect the Fire TV Cube directly to your TV and plug it back into the power. Now try turning it on and see if it gets past the logo screen. If it's still stuck, just check the power source. Make sure you are using the original Amazon power adapter and cable that came with your Fire TV Cube. Also plug it directly into a wall outlet, and here you have to avoid using an extension cord or power strip as it may not provide enough power for the device to work properly. Next, check the HDMI connection if you are using an HDMI adapter or extender. So remove it and connect the Fire TV Cube directly to the TV. You can also try a different HDMI cable if you have one available, because sometimes a faulty HDMI cable can prevent the device from starting properly. Also, you have to switch to a different HDMI port on the TV, so before reconnecting the cable, just check the HDMI ports for any dust or debris and clean them gently if needed. If your Fire TV Cube is still stuck on the logo screen, just unplug it completely and leave it disconnected for several hours or even overnight. This can sometimes help if the device is overheating or got stuck during an update. The next day, plug it back in and try turning it on. And if your Fire TV Cube started installing an update before getting stuck, leave it plugged in for a while. Sometimes larger updates can take much longer than expected, and the device may eventually finish and boot up on its own. And one last thing, you may need to perform a factory reset. Keep in mind that this will erase all your apps and settings, and you will need to set up your Fire TV Cube again. So if you're okay with that, so you just have to press and hold the volume down button and the mute button on your cube. Press and hold it about 20 to 30 seconds until you see the prompt on your TV. So when the reset screen appears, select factory reset and follow the on-screen instruction. So once the reset is complete, just set up your Fire TV Cube again and see if the issue is resolved. And that's it. Hopefully one of these fixes got your Fire TV Cube past the logo screen and working again. Thanks for staying tuned with Fix 669 till then.